Things that are important before, not so important now. Not important ego, not important fame, not important money, not important what other people say, what other people behave, what they think about you. Be content in yourself, joy within, peace within, and ready to go anytime. Live every day 100%. Enjoy every moment 100%. When you take a case 100%. When you walk on the beach 100%. When you sing 100%. When you beat somebody 100%. Live 100%. So if you live every moment 100%, then there is no tomorrow. Tomorrow again you will do the same thing. There is nothing to look. Something tomorrow is going to happen that didn't happen today. Is not. Then you are ready to go. Tonight if I die, no problem. I have no issue at all. Only little problem is I don't want to go in allopathic hospital. My only request. I don't want tubes. This I don't want. That is okay. No problem. And we can only see, we are nothing but an instrument. We are not the doer. Doer is somebody else. Nature does, universe does, God acts through us. So don't give too much importance. Somebody met me today. She said, you are not allowed to fall sick because everybody depends on you. You are not having permission to be unwell. I said, no, sorry. It's not my problem. When I am unwell, I am unwell. When you are unwell, it's a great opportunity to grow. Because then you have to face your own devils, your own demons, your own issues. When you are unwell, really you have to face yourself. Take the opportunity. Grow. And you need that space for yourself. You don't have to work. So I feel everything, every problem, even you face with other people, every problem, every crisis is an opportunity to grow, to know yourself better, to understand what's going on. Every patient is an opportunity to grow. So, you do, you work, you laugh, you play, you grow, you enjoy, and give up the ego. Give up, I am doing. Say, it is happening. Happening through me or happening, it is happening. That's happening. I am experiencing this. Not I am doing, I am thinking, I am feeling, I am. You are not doing nothing. It's your delusion, stupidity. I am important. Without me, it is like feeling that you are the one who is. No. That's a delusion. 5 minutes after you are dead body. One man said, take a bucket and put your hand into it. And then remove your hand and show me where that hand used to be. You understand? You take a bucket of water, put your hand into that bucket, and then take your hand out and find out where your hand was. Where is the space? It's all gone in 1 second. Jesus Christ came, went. Gandhi came and went. Where are they? Did anybody follow them afterwards? The world would have been much more peaceful. Nobody makes. They are all instruments. It's a continuum. We are all part of continuum. So accept, enjoy. So it's a kind of dual existence. You are fully involved and you are fully detached. You follow? It's wonderful. You are doing everything with 100% passion, but you know it means nothing. Just like a very good actor in a movie. He goes in a movie, 100%. He comes out, there was no, it was just a role he was playing. But he played that role very well, like real, full of passion. But he knows inside, I am not this. So when he come out, he goes to sleep, he is free. That role was only what he took on to be in that drama. Life is like this drama. Is it too much philosophy? So I think all of you know this, it's nothing new. But just sharing that this is a growth. And I think it comes with age, hopefully. Wisdom should come with age. What do you think, yes or no? And I can see it coming, it's not there yet. I'm still very caught up in my own story, but little openings I can see. And then that makes me little more at peace, little more easy with people. Because when I meet very important people, the first thought that comes to my mind, I think he must be passing stool as well. Makes us equal in a way. Probably he is constipated also. At least I get a normal motion. I think like this. So I don't think anybody is we are all in the same boat. And I've seen too many important people and how terrible their mind state is. So I don't feel intimidated by anything or anybody. We are all okay. And even the person who is not in my position, I feel the same. He's also human. He's okay also. He's fine. Probably has a better bowel motion than me. Probably. Who knows? I don't ask. It's not that. I just think.